Hello guys, welcome back to the another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm gonna discuss about weather functional weather with vanilla JavaScript. We have lot of interesting things about we are covering cover to the uh, this tutorial. Describe quick about this weather okay. So let me describe about the f. So at first for this weather and scaffolding the weather find weather API for this open weather like that. uh, you will simply put here open weatherf.org. That is the API for weatherf okay. So here you have to go to Google, then write simply open weather map.org, then you have to log in this and here is my API keys okay. Our this is our weatherf API okay. So let me describe this functionality okay. So exactly this is our project, and if of heading, then whole of the inside of div like that input button, then it will be div of main section, then submit button, that is the another div okay. Then you will div it will be inside of the main section okay, then text area section okay. That is our simple design. Scaffolding the weather f like that. Before we start creating our f, there are a few things that we have to take into the consideration. From find weather f, you have to go to Google, then write here simply open weathermap.org okay. Then first thing we have to find a provider that will have let us the incorporated weather data into our f like that. It's loaded from weather API. Most of the included free packages along with the premium subscription with the scalar depending on the service like that. We are used to it and like the free. And what is open weather f, and in our case we are going to use open weather map, one of the most popular of the free choice like that. Open weather describe itself as a group of IT expert and data scientists that does deep weather data science since 2014, and for each point of other, open weather provides a reliable historical current and forecasted current and weather data via listed light speed APIs okay. So where to find weather icons and weather UI kits, I will give in the description below this link okay. So simply I will put here simply like that Dhaka, then click the submit button and it will show the Dhaka temperature range and weather haze and temperature rain area range okay. So so let's the another city name, just simply type here Hamburg, HMBURG okay. Then simply click here this Hamburg, and in the located in the German like that city name of German okay. Temperature is 1 degree Celsius and weather is clear, but temperature range minus degree Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius. Oh, that is the cool city in the German okay. So I'll check this city name again like that Bangladesh Sylhet, then I click this submit here okay. Sylhet division Bangladesh okay. This is the temperature range is 35 degrees Celsius. It is the warm and hot city like that. When you winter, then it is a cold city okay. So it will show to you the result here okay. So I type here something invalid name like that SYL, then I click here this okay. Please enter the valid city. It will show to the show to pop up like that. Please enter a valid city okay like that Hamburg, then I click this here like that please enter a velocity. Okay, it will show to you pop up like that, enter a velocity. When you will get this correct name, then it will show the result. Otherwise you can't you can get a pop up like that, please enter a velocity. Okay, that's our project total overview. Okay, let's go to the code and obviously I hope you will enjoy this tutorial. It's here and it's worth nothing to open weather map. Comes with its own icons set and well, take a look at those. However, we will go to one step further and use some of custom zone. Now it is your web designer or work multiple web designer project based on project, then invert element is the best option for you. Okay, so for low month free fee this subscription and like that unlimited marketplace gives you unlimited access to the everything you will need to for your project. You will find whether API UI kit from here. So you will find whether UI kit from invert elements. Okay, just it, and then will if you like the simple weather f icons, and there are free for you. This icon vector set and comes 32 vectors icon to forecast in front. Okay, so okay, then this talk to about the basic of weather element. Now I am gonna discuss with you how to build a weather f into JavaScript. At first I will discuss about the weather f and how to build up this project, and you will design. Okay, so firstly whole of the section, whole of div and then another div like that I will discuss previously. Okay, so that's it. Okay, now I have created the second box in this element input, and in this project I will give you some instruction how you will build up this project. Okay, the basic structure of this weather f has been created using the following HTML and like the CSS. Follow the steps. Okay, at first now I have created the first weather f in the weather f header tag, like that heading tag. Okay, so the first input will help to input name of the city name. Here it will input button and then it will submit button, and like this. So let's see the code. Okay, okay, you have to go to your folder directory. Okay, then just write here simply put here cmd. Okay, then I open it code dot, just put here right here code dot, then it will open the Visual Code Studio in your code editor. Okay, I'll simply delete it. Is the sum of instruction pop up me, and now this is our folder, and you have created some of okay, now you will when you will come back your index.html file, then you will simply type here html.5. okay, this is your some of default code gives automatically by the VS Code. Okay, so simply write here weather f. Okay, weather f, and now I'm gonna creating this link up with html.css. okay, style.css. Then now I'm creating this link up with script.js. script.js. okay, just simply put here script.js. okay, it will be automatically show pop up with you view. Okay, okay, this is our main project like that weather f. Then it's our empty folder. Simply refresh in my browser. Okay, hello weather f. Okay, we are simply build up this project like that similarly. Okay, so at first I will cut it here. Okay, then I'll create the sum of one div like that main section area. Whole of this weather f will provide follow the representative for weather f like that. Main dot container, now at first I'm gonna creating this like that. Main dot main, then container, then just div dot container, main container, it will be main container. Okay, or div then container, then it will be open weather f like that. Heading tag like that, h1 tag, it will be h1 tag here, h1 weather f. Just simply refresh your browser. Okay, weather f, that's it. And you will show it here. You will search by city name, that it will be input button like, but it will be here it will be from action, from okay, from action like that, action. Okay, action, it will be empty. Then here you will type here on submit equal returns false to your return fal as a false. Okay, that's it. Input type, class name, charts here. Okay, input types text. Okay, then it will be placeholder here, placeholder, charts by city name, okay, then here will be button like that, submit button. Okay, so I'll put here like that, I put here button. Okay, then input type, button, input type, not button, it will be submit. Okay, submit, and here will be class name button like that, class name equal btn button. Then here we will type here simply just submit. Okay, then you have to go to your Google and your browser, then you simply refresh your browser and you will show it on charts by city name and submit button, it will be here. Okay, oh, this is our simple design. Okay, then I will close this form and just I will put here div dot current like that. At first you have to creating the container again, container, and another you will put here like just another container and just click this enter. Okay, then div dot icon. Okay, then image, class name will be just weather f, class name will be weather that's it. And I will close this div, and then again just div dot location. When you will take a the weather f heading tag, then input button, submit, and please enter and enter your location. Okay, this is your location. Okay, so in this coding structure you will show it step by step. I will design it. Okay, so location div dot class name like that, city. Just click this, enter simply. Okay, select Bangladesh. Okay, that's it. And simply I will refresh in my browser. Okay, you will show it selected Bangladesh. Okay, then I'll copy and paste it here. Oh no, just close this div, and you will type here div dot date, class name will be date. Okay, click this here, enter. Click the enter, and just simply type here your exactly date like that, Monday. Then date will be March 8, March 7. Okay, then it will be 2022. Just I close this div because it will be another div. Okay, then horizontal line, I will give this horizontal line like that. At first div dot current, current then simply I'll type here just like that, div dot at first will temp. Okay, class name temp, then it will be temperature range 25. Okay, then I'll simply put give it here like that, span, then click enter, and I'll give this just simply to degrees Celsius. I'll copy it and paste it here. Okay, that's it, simple. Okay, and now I'll copy this line too many times. Okay, then div dot class name weather. Okay, then click this enter, and simply type here weather. Weather will be sunny. Okay, then span it will be empty because there is no text. Okay, for that, and again div dot temperature range, temp range. Okay, it will be okay, then temp range, range temp range. Span here will be temperature range, temperature range 10 degree Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, that will be, and just I'll go to my browser, and just simply I refresh in my browser. Okay, that's it, and this is our HTML design, and simply I'll finish this. Okay, so here I will another class name like that, p dot error error. Okay, error. Then just simply type here p dot error. Why error? Because please enter the velocity, and for that, when I will creating the JavaScript, when I will create the JavaScript connection like that, when I'll check my JavaScript code, then it will be help for me. Okay, for that I will put here just simply another class name error. Then I will refresh in my browser. That's it, and nothing to here, just simply design. Okay, now I will go to in my style.css code, and just simply I will write that foot whole of element margin, margin will be 0. Okay, then padding will be 0. Then simply type here creating I'm creating now box sizing, border box. Okay, simply that's it. Body whole of body design like that. Background URL images like that. Simply weather weather.png. okay, for that this is design, and background will be background linear gradient, just like 2 to right bottom. Okay, that's it. And I will give this color like that. FDC 4D4. Okay, that's color, and I will give the comma 57 and 57 D8 FF. It will be another color name. Okay, that's it. Here is okay. Then font I'll give this font family like that. Arial dot, if you want anything, you will give this. Okay, width equal 100%. Then it will be height equal 100% vertical horizontal align. Okay, that's it. Okay, then justify content will be center. I want to in my text like that center, then I'll just simply put here center. Okay, line item center, and just I'll come back in my browser, and just I simply refresh in my browser. Okay, that's it. And this is the our design. Okay, that's the very nice. Okay, I simply minimize it. Okay, that's it. And I'll come back in my style.css, and then I'll come back in my index.html, and just I'll copy this class name like that. Here main container. Okay, and container, and class name will be btn. Class name will be container. Okay, then just now I'll simply type here dot main container, or I'll copy it from here. Just I'll simply I copy this class name, and just simply paste here. Okay, then class name. Oh, here is a mistake, and class name is undefined. Class name is undefined. Okay, that will be, and it will be a display flex, like that, display flex. Okay, then justify contain will be center. Okay, that's it, and it will be align items. Okay, center, align items will be center, everything will be center because I want it. And text decoration, flex decoration, no, flex direction, sorry, flex direction equal column. Okay, then width 100%, and max width equal, it will be 35 for 350 pixel. Okay, and height will be 80 vertical line. Okay, that's it. And background URL, background URL dot slash that images, and whether f.1 or no, it will be just weather dot png, and it will be not repeated. I don't repeat this again. Repeated, repeat, center. Okay, that's it. Okay, just background size will be background size equal cover. I think it's a whole of cover this my section. Okay, then border radius will be 10 pixel. If you want, you will increase or decrease your border radius. Okay, that's there is no problem. So like that, overflow will be hidden. Then position equal relative. That's it, and just simply refresh in your browser. Okay, this design is great. And here will be here just I simply copy this line and I'll paste it here. Okay, then I'll just give it before. Okay, second curly brackets. Okay, then content will be empty. Content will be empty. Okay, that's it. Like that, position will be obsolete. That's it. And left 0, right will be 0, left off. Okay, top will be 0, and just here I create this white, like that. White will be 100, I think 100, yes, 100%. And just simply will give this your height, width height. Okay, height will be same 100%. Just you will give this background. The background will be linear gradient to bottom, then comma and RGB. Equal, it will be left 0, it will be right 0. Okay, then top 0, top 0, bottom 0. Okay, that's it. And I'll give this give here a comma and make sure that with comma and RGBA and it will be 0 0 0.0 equal 0, then 0.6. Okay, 0.6. okay, make sure that here is a some of mistake like that. Where okay, that's it. And z index will be z index will be 0. Oh no, here it will be mistake because this is the line. It will be complete in here, it complete here. Okay, it will complete here, then you will now here z index equal 0. Okay, then refresh your browser. Okay, this is the gradient color, linear gradient. Okay, that looks awesome. And now I will design this here. Okay, I will design this heading like that. Top at first dot top and top will be just text align. Oh no, text align the center. Then will be z index equal z index 9999. Okay, that's it. Okay, then top h1 tag color will be like that, white like that. Here will be this is the white. Okay, for that weight now it's not a weight, it will be white, WHIT white. Okay, that's it. And make sure that it's semicolon, click this enter, and it will be line height 2, then top input dot class dot top. I will give this simply just a top input and just simply type here top input equal background color will be RGBA equal this. Okay, so here will be border bottom, just simply border bottom like that, solid 2 pixel like this, the green. Okay, border radius will be 10 pixel, left 0, and simply I will copy it and just simply I will copy it and paste it here. Okay, that's it. And text align will be center, text align center, and font size will be 14 pixel. It is the very simplicity for every website. That for color, and next color equal color will be white. That's it. Input button color will be and just I will come back in my browser and just simply refresh in my browser. Okay, that's it. And top input, and just that top input focus top input focus will color will be white, font size will be 15 pixel. Okay, that's it. Here will be just simply that top input, that will be placeholder. Okay, that's it. And it will color equal RGBA. Okay, just I will change this here. Okay, to 2555 equal to 55, and it will be like that 255 comma with, make sure that with comma again 255.5. okay, that's it. Then I will simply refresh in my browser. Here is nothing changed. Why? Okay, here is a some mistake, like that it will be comma and it another name equal top button dot top button. Okay, that's it. And just simply refresh it. Again, here is another mistake, top button display. Okay, just here I will give this another class name, like that dot top input comma and top button dot here will be top button, and that's it. And make sure that with display block and with 80 pixel 80%, and it's not a pixel, 80% at margin top, just like I will give this margin, then 0 auto. Okay, that's it. And it will padding will be 10 pixel, and just now margin bottom will be 5 pixel. Okay, that's it. And outline equal none, and border will be none. Okay, border will be none, that's it. And just simply refresh your browser. Here is nothing changed. Okay, I'll finish my design at first. Here is some need more design. Okay, that's it. And top button, top input, for that top input focus, then top input folder. Okay, that's it. And just color RGBA, then dot top button here will be background color background color, anything you want, as like you want. Okay, color white, then font size will be 14 pixel. That font white, like that, bold 400. It's not, I don't like it, just I'll put here simply bold. Okay, that's it. Unknown property font white. Oh no, here is some mistake. Here is one mistake, like that. Here is no T, then it will be okay. Okay, that's it. And text transform will be uppercase, it I want it. And border radius will be 3 pixel. That's it. And the cursor will be pointer, it will be always pointer. Transition, here you will make it any transition, like that, how much time I want it, just like 0.3 second. Okay, that's it. Now I'll simply I'll refresh my browser. Here is nothing changed. Okay, don't worry, I will when I'll finish this in my style.css code, then I'll show it for change in my design. Okay, that's it. And just now top button view or button, background color will be B0515102. That's it. Okay. Here I will give this dot top, then dot error. Okay, color white, and font size will be 14 pixel. Okay, that's it. And actually I think if you want like this, your class name again show now, and where your class name contain error and icon, weather icon, and location. Okay, that's it. And you'll remember your class name, just it. Okay, then now I'll give this icon color name icon. It will be always dot icon. Okay, that's it. Icon called text align center, then it will be padding top, just like that. Padding top equal 15 pixel. Then I will give this another class name. Just I will copy this like that, location. Okay, then I'll copy this and I'll come back here in my style.css and dot, then location. Okay, then padding bottom. At first padding bottom will be 15 pixel. Okay, that's it. Text align center, color will be white, not a white. Line height will be 1.6. okay, that's it. Then dot location, again copy it just paste it here, and .ct name ct, font size will be 20 pixel, and font height will be I want just bold, nothing here. Okay, that's it. And just I refresh my browser. Okay, there is some change. Okay, now I'll come back in my index.html code, and just I'll copy it .current. Okay, then I'll paste it here. That's it. And width equal 100%, and it will be some position, where will position, just I want it relative. Okay, that's it. And padding top will be 10 pixel. Okay, that's it. And now color, I'll give this color just again, I want it white. Okay, then text align will be left. That's it. Then current, then before. Okay, content will be empty. Okay, it will be always empty. It's my own experiment. Okay, so don't worry about it. Position absolute, that's it. And top 0, left 0, weight equal like that 100%. That's it. And 100%. Height will be 1 pixel. Okay, that's it. And border color will be white. Okay, that's it. And just refresh your browser. Border color. Okay, that's it. I will minimize this browser. Current, then padding bottom 10 pixel. Okay, that's it. Top input, top button. Top input, top button, then top input, that's it. And focus, placeholder, top button, that's it. And icon error. Okay, at first when we will create this weather app JavaScript, then I told you before in my a few minutes ago, like that. You have to go to your Google, then just write here openweather.map.org and simply type it here. Okay, then you will log in this site. Okay, then you will click this API. Okay, then I will minimize this website and just type here and my keys. Okay, then I hope you will again this again access your account, then enter your email and password, then you will get a API, open weather map API. Okay, then you will copy it and come back in your script.js. Just type here const API. Here I will load in my API. Okay, that's it, and equal. At first I will create a key, I will generate a key, then I will copy it and paste it here. Okay, now I am logging in this site. Okay, that's it, and I will copy this link. Just simply copy it and paste it here. Okay, paste it here. That's it, and just type here simply type here. Okay, make sure that with semicolon, then base where you will find this API. Okay, that's it, and I will just copy it and paste it here. Okay, make sure that with semicolon. Here is, oh no, here is one mistake. Okay, then here will be you will be expected like that comma. Okay, then you will just cut it and comma. That's it. Okay, that's it, and it will now working. Then const search equal document dot query selector. Okay, then exactly copy this name and paste it here. Okay, that's it, and like that make sure that with semicolon and const button, const btn equal here will be document dot again query selector, and just simply type here btn, and you will notice your const.btn. Then okay, that's it, and make sure with that semicolon. Okay, btn dot add event listener. Here your here you will create this another function name like that, add event listener. Then click dot, make sure that with comma and get input, where you will get find anything data or input. Okay, here will be get input, and make sure that with semicolon. Okay, that's it, and here and now here I'm gonna creating another function like that, function get input. That's it, and here I will create here now here I'm creating an event function, event. That's it, and second curly brace. Okay, then event dot pre-event default, 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 then close. Okay, make sure that it's semicolon. And now if even dot type is equal to click function, click, I call this click now, click from click, and when you click this function like that here, then it will be work where you will get this fetch in API. I will fetch this API in my constant function. Okay, for that here I will get data. Okay, then now console dot log, I will show it in my charts below what type of value I will get it from here. For that I will now I'm gonna creating a console. Okay, that I'll minimize in browser and I'll inspect in my browser. Okay, then just console, here I'll click this console and just simply type here and submit button. Here is nothing to change and here is nothing error. Okay, so okay, that's it, and I'll minimize this console.log. Inspect, then console, you have to go to console and just simply type here select. Okay, then just click the submit button. Okay, get data is not a defined at a HTML button element dot get input. Okay, 13 18 here the get data is not a defined. Okay, that's it, and I'll here I'll create this function, then it will be work. Okay, so now I'm gonna creating another function like that function get data. Here will get data. Okay, and here I will minimize this line, comment this line. Okay, that's it, and just simply I'll make a function dot get data. Simply type get data, then it will automatically show to you. Okay, then just simply I will what type of data like that fetch. I want it to fetch data in my API. Okay, fetch now, then okay, that's it, and API dot base, where is my API? Oh no, API equal typing mistake. Okay, API that dot like that API and then base. Okay, it will be loading this here and find a API data, fetch API data, then weather 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 question like that. It doesn't mean the documentary of the open.org. Okay, so question equal, and here will be charts like that. Charts, what type of value? Charts dot value, then and it will be and function and units equal metric and API ID. Okay, you'll you'll follow this your spelling, just spelling API ID like that a double p. Here I'll here equal to get data like that API dot key. Okay, where you will find this like that base then key. Your fetch API like that loading from API, then key dot charge dot value, then key. Here you will notice this API dot key. Okay, then you will fetch it here. Okay, that's it. And then response it. It don't respond, then your whether f is not working. Okay, so that for that response function response pns response response equal less than greater than. Okay, that's it. And return for type of value you will get it, and just like that return I want it response dot json type data. I want it from my API. Okay, for that equal that's it. Here is a one mistake, it will not here it okay, then just okay, then show to you showing to you like that display data okay, that's it. And make sure that with semicolon. Okay, make sure that with semicolon. Then I'm gonna creating another function like function then display data. Okay, it will automatically show it to you that like the display, then display data, then it will be response like here that, and use it second curly brackets, use it if okay, if then response dot code is equal to here will be showing to you 404. It will be showing to you error from your code. Okay, that's it. And const error just type const error, and oh no, error is equal then document dot query selector. Okay, just type it here dot oh no dot error, that's it. You will and here you will copy it, paste. Okay, that's it. And make sure that with semicolon. Okay, so then here I'll get a text error like that for type of error dot text contain equal please enter a valid city. Okay, valid city. I'm gonna create this text contain like that. When you will get click this submit button, then it will pop up showing to you here like that please enter a valid city. Then actually here we will type like that silly, then it will be pop up here please enter a valid city. Okay, search dot value, oh no, search dot value. Okay, equal, that's it. And make sure that with semicolon. Okay, done in a error function, check error function. Okay, for that now I'm gonna creating another else, like that. If else this is error, then please enter a velocity. It will show pop up to you, please enter a velocity, then else. Okay, then it will be, first I will create the function const city name, city equal document dot query selector, and just type it name here dot city. Then it will showing to you, make sure that with semicolon, then city, type it here, just city dot inner HTML, just it's showing to you like that, just equal, then what type of data you want, like that. Then here response dot name. Okay, I want it just city name, then comma with, and I'll copy this and just simply paste it here. Okay, and here will be just response dot says. Okay, then dot country name. Okay, that's it. And here you see it just like that. Okay, obstacle, just here it and here it. Okay, then make sure that with semicolon again. Okay, now I'm gonna creating the like new data const today equal new data, then function again const date equal document dot query selector, and make sure that with dot date, that's it. Make sure that with semicolon here, and just you will type it here, and inner dot, it's showing to you just inner dot HTML. Oh no, dot inner dot HTML, and just what type of like that date function today. Okay, I will call it just, oh no, just date function like that today. Okay, here will some of const today data transfer, today is declared, but its value is never read. On here will const function is never read this value. Okay, for that you will check it in your function like that today. Okay, that's it, and you will show it, and pop-up has gone. Okay, and make sure that with semicolon. Okay, that's it. And here is date is declared, but its value is never used. Actually date is declared but never used. Oh no. Okay, it is nothing major problem in this line. Okay, nothing major error. Just type here const temperature temp const temp equal document dot query selector. Make sure that with dot temp and make sure that with semicolon. Oh no, here is and temp dot inner HTML equal, and just I'll copy this line, okay, and just I'll paste it here and just change it to the entire code, and just same code, and I'll copy and change this name and paste it here, okay, and function is this are similarly, and at first it will be check this please enter Belize city, then otherwise it will this correct city name, and fetch the response city name and get dot function to otherwise on the contrary it will be showing to you just like that today date and fetch temperature and fetch weather like that. Here is some type, okay, that's it, weather dot response weather, and it will be like that temperature range, and check it temperature range, how much temperature range is today now. Then for that here I use this line, just main dot round and main dot temperature mean, and main dot round is the actually maximum temperature, and response dot is the minimum temperature, okay, that's it. And it will be weather icon, query selector, where is weather icon, and like that where you will find the weather mapped, open weathermap.org, and it will be showing to this icon URL, okay, that's it. And weather dot icon plus concate plus response dot weather icon and just dot png, okay. Png is that png is that like that where you will use this like that image, then it will be concatenate like that icon URL, then at first in the icon URL, then response dot weather and weather icon, and it will be showing to you the icon, and then concatenate plus dot png, okay, that's it, and charge dot value, okay, that's it. And now I'm gonna creating this another function like that, function data date function, like the date function, here will be d, okay, that's it. And function will be let months equal where you will just like that January, and make sure that with every month is equal comma February, and it will be just comma February, and I'll copy it, or no, just I'll copy it and comma paste it here, comma paste it here, and paste it here again, okay, that's it. And now just I'll change this name, March, mar, oh no, just I'll change this name mar, and here will be April APR, okay, that's it. And every month I will change it. Now here just I will change this name like that, May, June, July and September, like that 12 month, okay, that's it. And let days equal, and again same, I'll just declare here Sunday, and make sure that with every month after comma, okay, and here will just Monday, okay, and to make sure that after every month every days, then it will comma, and Wednesday, and Thursday, that's it. And after all, Friday. That's it. And just now here is another name like that, Saturday. Saturday equal days. Why days? Because I will explain this. Just here is the let variable days, then days. Okay, that's it. And d dot get day, function. Okay, I'll call it. I'll explain it. It's variable. Then I will call this function that days dot d, where this event function like that, and dot get function. Okay, so I'll make sure that with semicolon, and again let date equal d dot get data, just get date. Okay, here will be get date, and make sure that with function. Okay, call the get function. Okay, that's it. And just now let month. Okay, let month equal months, months months. Here I'll just copy it and just make sure that it paste here. Okay, oh no, just paste it here. Okay, that's it. And just month, and call this function dot d dot get month, like that. Okay, why get day and get date and get month? This is the JavaScript get function. Okay, and that's it. And get month, make sure that with okay, that's it. And get month will be okay, make sure that with semicolon. And again let year equal dot d dot get full year. Okay, get full year function, and make sure that it's semicolon. Okay, that's it. And return what type, what's the return to value. Okay, obstacle, and just return at first date, date. Okay, then month, 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 that's it. And just year. Okay, that's it. And to make sure that with semicolon again, and just here is day is not declared but never used. Okay, where get day. Okay, that's it. And it's not a major issue in our code. Okay, that's it. But I'll check it again. Days. Okay. Okay, though. So here is get method, like that. Method returns the month in the specified data according to local time, a0 to base or value, where 0 indicates the first time. Okay, that's every get method are JavaScript prototype property methods. For that get dates and get date and get month, everything is the JavaScript data type prototype method. Okay, that's it. And just return the prototype JavaScript method, and you will get it your date, month, and years. Okay, so that's our simple JavaScript code. Explain this everything in the step by step. And if you don't understand this code, and comment this in description below, and just question in my description below. I will answer it. Okay, so I'll check it again in my browser. I'll come back in my browser. Okay, and I'll just refresh it. Okay, and I'll check it again. I'll put here another city name like that, Hamburg, and I'll click this just submit button, and Hamburg is the city of German, like that. Temperature is 70 degrees Celsius. Okay, like that. I will check it again, New York. Okay, and I'll simply click this submit button, and New York is today 5 degrees Celsius, temperature is 5 degrees Celsius, and weather is cloud. Temperature range is 3 degrees Celsius to 6 degrees Celsius. Okay, so today is a hot day. That's it. Every country and country city name and city weather is good. And just I will check in Dhaka. Just I'll simply click this submit button, and just today is 33 degrees Celsius in Bangladesh. Okay, so that's it, and I'll check it just Khulna. Just simply I will click this submit button. Okay, Khulna, the temperature is 34 degrees Celsius, and weather is clear. Temperature range is 34 degrees Celsius to 34 degrees Celsius. Okay, that's it. Describe everything weather F in this in my in this tutorial, and the first step. That's it. And now today I will finish this tutorial, and I hope you will enjoy this tutorial. And if you want to like this my project, and if you want to like this my tutorial, then you will subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, so guys, I hope you will enjoy this tutorial. Okay, thanks for watching.